Okay, this is from our first part of our website. This is the login page. You can put some, so we will log in, put username and then the password, and then this the our home page. You can put some. This is your name, your user ID, your age, and then your contact numbers. This is the home page, and then you can see your details, user detail. And then the second page is the congestion. The congestion can choose to see the traffic jam from which highway lane. This is the example. Maybe you can see the NKVE or jam. Today, traffic jam in NKVE. The third, the third page is the accident info page. It will show us the total accident in Malaysia from 2010 until 2019. So from here we can see the total road accident in Malaysia. So fourth is the safety and rules. Some feature that we provide from this website is the speed limit alerts, seatbelt reminders, emergency service locators, and weather specific driving tips. So lastly is this the about us. Our website is well equipped to provide best-in-class products and service that includes traffic control, service, seatbelt reminders, and emergency service locators. This is all from our. This is just a prototype, so we just make it from HTML. So that is all.
Hi, my name is Roshan. I'll be presenting on the SWOT analysis of the prototype. I'll be touching on the strengths and opportunity part. The strengths are real-time data integration. The prototype can provide up to a minute of information of traffic with multiple key features such as congested road and bottlenecks. This can effectively reduce the chances for users to avoid traffic. Next, we have user-friendly interface. Traffic operator and admins are able to use the prototype easily, even without any guidance, since the prototype has very simple UI. For the opportunities, smart city integration is possible. By using smart IoT devices, it can be used to smoothen and increase efficiency of traffic. Also, partnership with navigation apps is possible since our prototype focuses on small area. The scalability of the system is potential expansion and additional features can be used to improve the performance.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavinesh. So today I am going to explain about the ERT diagram. So focusing on the entities, the key entities includes user, admin, navigation, report and various data sources like camera, sensor and weather. So focusing on relationship, the user utilize navigation and the admin modifies it and reports capture diverse data. So report relationship overview. So the reports links to camera, sensor, weather, road network, infrastructure maintenance, emergency services, traffic violation and accident. So in a nutshell, our ERD outlines user navigation dynamics, admin control and the comprehensive data captured by our reporting system. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Daniel, and I'll be explaining about the DFT that we use for this assignment. So the first one is level 0, which is the system that we use is the traffic management system. And so the user will first send the number, phone number, and vehicle number to the system. Then the system will use the user's detail to the admin, and then it will has access to the admin, and then admin will give the access to the system, and then the system will pass it back to the user. And then second is the DFT level 1. The DFT level 1 shows that the user send details to data collection, and then the data collection send the user's details to the admin, and then admin files a report, and then it goes to the data processing system, and then it updates the report to the traffic data store, and then it repeats the cycle again through the authorization. Then the third is the level 2 DFD, which is there are 4 stages, which is traffic management system, data collection, traffic control, and data process. And as we can see in the traffic management system, the users send the details and then the admin gives the authorization. In the data collection, it gets the vehicle details from the camera, it detects the vehicle from the sensor, from the movement of the traffic, and then it sends the details to the traffic stop. Then in the third one, we can see that the traffic light control controls the flow, and then it sends all the data of the traffic to the control signal center. And then the last but not the least is the traffic signals sends the flow and then updates the time through the data process, and then it sends the data and the confirmed details to be processed. That's all for me. Thank you.
Good day everyone. I'll be presenting on my part, which is computer memory formation. So computer memory formation involves taking in various types of information like what users type or sensors detect. This data is then changed into a computer friendly form through encoding, converting it into a series of zeros and ones. The computer stores this transformed data in two main memory types, which is temporary use RAM and long-term storage, which is HDD and SSD. Each piece of data is given a unique address for easy access. The computer's brain, which is the CPU, retrieves and processes data from RAM, which is quickly, but loses data when the computer is turned off. Long-term storage keeps data even when the computer is turned off. Retrieving data involves using these addresses with RAM quickly providing frequently used data and secondary storage for less common data. After retrieval, the data can be shown to users through devices like monitors or printers. This whole process covers the life cycle of data in a computer, from input to storage, processing, retrieval, and finally showing the information. That's all from me.
Yeah, and to my fellow friends, today I'm going to talk about the storyboard of our assignment. The first of the storyboard is home page. The home page is given by the username and also password to register. And also second one is the user login, which is we are creating some innovative stuff, which means the elements, the boxes, and also we using different kind of text using our suitable background. And third is in epic traffic, which means conjunction. You can see the conjunction website. Fourth is and also in the conjunction website you can see the which areas are jam, and also apart from Malaysia you can see the CJB to Singapore highway 2, and also you can see the statistic of the accidents from the year to now. And lastly is safety and rules. The safety and rules, we are using the some special features, which is speed limit and also seat belts and emergency specific elements, and also lastly weather specific, whether which means raining or hot weather. So that's all on our storyboard.
We developed a comprehensive traffic management system project, design and IDS prototype, and conducting feasibility analysis. Our approach includes precise scope definition, careful platform selection, and thorough consideration of design elements. Visual aids were used for effective presentations, such as pictures of cars and so on, and system internals were illustrated to DFDs, context diagrams, and ERDs, entity relationship diagrams. Decision trees and tables ensured structured processes, and our system architecture was demonstrated through well-designed databases and user interface storyboards. So we emphasized the importance of diverse methods. We highlighted the role of intelligent transportation systems in improving traffic flow through real-time monitoring and data analytics. So our recommendations are continued exploration of emerging technologies and ongoing updates to ensure the system remains adaptable and effective in addressing evolving traffic management challenges.
Okay, the challenges from my part is learning to code the website using HTML and CSS. Even though people always say HTML is the easiest programming language to learn, but it is very difficult when you start coding. So from the login page to the main page, the navigation menu bar design, and how to put the background images.
One of the challenges I faced is doing the analysis. I have to look at the project from a business perspective to achieve what really a project needs in order to be successful and achieving its purpose. We have to know what user will expect, effectively and efficiently affect in the prototype. So I managed to sort this out by referring to experienced people in the industry, by doing research through Google Scholar and YouTube videos as reference to overcome this.
So during this project, I had some tough parts on doing the ERD diagram, figuring out how different things connect, bringing in various types of data and keeping things clear without being too formal or tricky. I also had to understand how users interact with the system, define how admins control it, and make sure all the needed info was included. Even though it was tough, facing all these challenges helped me to improve and create a better diagram in the end.
Okay, so the challenges I faced during doing this one is that there was some miscommunication that happened in the group, and then I didn't understand some of the few parts, which led for me to like doing it a bit late because I had to like discuss with my other friend like how we do for the ERT. Then I got to know, okay, so this is how like I will do for the DFT. Then I got to know, okay, this is the way. So that is the only thing that was the problem.
In the preparation of this assignment, there were a few challenges that I faced. So firstly, in the designing of the database, a few challenges were unclear requirements, data accuracy, managing complex connections between the databases, and limited amount of reference. So to tackle this, I used analysis and maintained documentation in order to complete.
The challenges on doing system analysis modeling subject is number one is defining what the system needs to do, especially in the prototype. Secondly is dealing with its complexity and also keeping it up with tools and methods for using our traffic management system in the website below. And finally, important to communicate well with everyone involved in the project, especially with our group mates to discuss further information and also the ideas. That's all from me.
So the challenges I faced during this assignment was miscommunication with my members. So we were divided into these parts, but my member did my part, so I had to do his part now. So I had to change everything up, and it was a task that I need to do, and it wasn't like my specialty in that. So that was the challenge I faced, but we got through it and we did our parts.